Take notes on 4-5, matrices on a calculator. All right, so we're gonna learn how to add, subtract, do the regular operations on the calculator instead of manually. And it lists out the instructions on this paper almost exactly, like in detail of what you're gonna do on your calculator. But I'm gonna show you on my calculator really quick so you know how to work these out tomorrow, okay? So you turn your calculator on, okay? Just on the regular screen, and you're going to go to matrix, and it says it right here in blue where my finger is, so the fourth one down from the top left, and you hit second matrix. Okay, now then you're going to go scroll over at the top to edit, because we're going to type in, I'm doing an example for you, A, B, and C that are here in the notes. Okay, so we're going to create those. So you're going to go to edit, and then you're going to scroll down to A, and you're going to hit enter. And now you have to put the dimensions. So it's a 2 by 2, enter, okay? Now you're going to type the numbers in. So see, it gives you, there's zeros in there. So you're going to type in 0, see if I can get them on the same screen, 0, enter, 2, enter, 2, enter, -5, enter, okay? So now we're going to type in B, so you're going to go back to second matrix, you're going to go over to edit, and you're going to go down to B, and you're going to hit enter. Okay, so enter. Now this is a 2 by 2, so 2 by 2, enter, and you're going to type it in, -1, enter, 3, enter, -2, enter, and 4. Okay? So that B's entered. So now we need to go back to second matrix, and you're going to go over to edit, and you're going to go down to C. And C on here is a 2 by 3. Okay, so you're going to hit 2, enter, 3, enter. And now you're going to type it in, 2, enter, -2, enter, 1, 0, 3, -1. Okay, so now I've got them all in there. We've got 2, -2, 1, 0, 3, -1. Okay, so now you're going to go to second quit. All right, and we're gonna try these operations down here. So the first one in the example says A plus B. Okay, so you're going to go back to the matrix key, and you're going to hit A, and then you're going to hit plus the matrix key B and hit enter. Okay, so you have to start from this screen though. Okay, now you're going to go to matrix, and you're going to choose A and hit enter. Okay, so now it looks like your A matrix, and then you're going to go plus matrix, second matrix, oops, sorry, wrong button, second quit, scroll back over. Okay, second matrix, we're going to choose B and hit enter. So now we have A plus B, and you're going to hit enter. That's your answer. So it just did that for you, okay? So you would write that down in your notes. -1, 5, 0, -1. Okay? That's what I got. Okay, let's look back here on the next page. There's all, now you can do, now that they're all entered in, you can just sit here and enter all these in. You've already entered the matrix, the matrices, like all the information. So now all you have to do is just sit here on this main screen. So if we want to do A minus B, you're going to go second matrix. You're going to hit A, enter. And now you're going to hit the minus button down here, like subtract. And you're going to type in second matrix, and you're going to scroll down to B and hit enter. And now you're going to hit enter. So that's it. So it's 1, -1, and 4, -9. Okay. So now let's do BC, B times C. Okay, so you're going to go to second matrix. You're going to choose B. Okay, now you're going to hit times, and you're going to choose C. So second matrix. You're going to scroll down and hit C, hit enter, enter. Okay, So B times C gives you this. Let's write it out. -2, 11, -4, -4, 16, -6. Okay? So now let's see. Then you'll do C times B. Okay? I was trying to think of one that would be a little different. So we can do A plus B times C. Okay? So do second matrix. You've got A, which is right there. So you hit enter. Got a glare here. Enter. Plus parentheses, second matrix, B, enter, times C. Second matrix, scroll down to C, enter, in parentheses. So that one, there's no solution. Okay? Did you see that error that it gave me? It gave me an error. See how it says error? So on, which one did we just do? Number 6, okay? This would be no solution. Okay? And that's because their dimensions don't work. Okay? So B and C must not be able to be multiplied by each other. So let's look. A was a 2 by 2. Okay? B was a 2 by 2. And C was a 2 by 3. Okay? So when you're looking at these, when you multiply B and C together, which you can because their middle numbers are the same, your outcome is going to be a 2 by 3, right? So when you multiply these together, you're going to get a 2 by 3. And you're going to have a 2 by 2. You cannot add a 2 by 2 with a 2 by 3. You can only add and subtract the same dimensions. So that's why this one ends up being no solution. So if you have everything entered in your calculator and it gives you an error, then you know your answer is no solution. Okay. Let's see. So let's do a squared. Let's do one more. Well, let's do a squared. Okay. So you're going to type in second matrix. You're going to go up to A, enter. Oops, sorry, wrong button. Enter. Okay. And then squared. And hit enter. And that's your answer. Okay. So your answer is 4. Just trying to get it all in the same, my same screen here. So your answer becomes 4, -10, -10, 29. Okay. All right, so you're just doing the same thing over and over again, okay, as long as you're in your main screen. So remember, you enter all your information in. You go to second matrix, right? You go scroll over to edit, and you enter all the ones in, okay? Then you're going to go to second quit. Once you have everything entered in, you have to go back to the main screen. So you hit second quit. Now from here is where you start typing in what do you want to do. So now you can go to second matrix and then choose which one you want to do with, and then minus A, so second matrix, and then A, enter. Okay? All right.